Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we are going to prepare a recipe that was requested by one of my subscribers. Today we are going to prepare Nutella Limber. It is easy and fast, so join me to prepare it. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients we need are half a cup of Nutella chocolate, half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of condensed milk, a can and a half of evaporated milk, and finally a can of water. The same can that we use for the evaporated milk, we use a can of water. Those are all the ingredients we need for the delicious Nutella Limber. We already have the blender ready. We are going to add the ingredients to prepare it. We add the water, add the evaporated milk, which is a can and a half, add the sugar, add the condensed milk, and finally we add the Nutella chocolate. And we will beat. The mixture is ready. Now what we're going to do is pour it into the cups. We are going to pour it into the 7-ounce cup. This mix makes about 7 cups, which are 7 ounces each. Once we complete filling the cups, we will place them in the freezer for several hours until they freeze. The Nutella Limbers are ready! I made them in a 7-ounce cup and a few large cups. You saw how easy it is to prepare it. So prepare them this week and leave me your comments. Remember that if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, Lady Maria 51, and activate the bell so that you can receive the next video. See you in the next video.